Hi guys, today we are going to learn how to add an HDR effect in DaVinci Resolve. HDR stands for High Dynamic Range. To begin, let's open the color wheel panel, and first thing that we want to change is to boost up our shadows. Navigate on the third icon over here and all the way at the bottom. Just slightly change them. I think around 50ish is enough until the image starts to brighten a little bit. We also want to lower our highlights. They're here, next to the shadows. Around -60 will do the job. Now let's go over to the contrast. It's up here. I think this is enough, 1.2. And finally, we will want to increase the saturation. Just don't go overboard with this one. And there we have it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.